SIBO, or Small Intestinal Bacterial Overgrowth, is when there is a large population of bacteria in the small intestines. As I have mentioned in previous videos, it is natural to have a balance of large amount of good and bad bacteria in the large intestines. But normally, there is very little bacteria in the small intestines. Usually, stomach acid will help keep the bacteria at bay in the small intestines, but if your stomach is not producing enough gastric acid, bacteria can multiply in the small intestines. Signs of SIBO include belly bloating, diarrhea, constipation, and vitamin deficiencies. Causes of SIBO include, as stated, low levels of stomach acid, an imbalance of good and bad bacteria, slow movement of the digestive tract, and inflammation. Risk factors can include recent surgery or treatment with a course of antibiotics that may create an imbalance of good and bad bacteria. Also, low thyroid, diabetes, kidney problems, and excessive alcohol use can also be a cause. It is diagnosed by a breath test that measures the amount of hydrogen and methane in the person's breath. The person has to fast for 24 hours before the test and then must drink a sugary solution of lactulose or glucose, sugars that are broken down by the gut bacteria. When bacteria breaks the sugars down, it travels through the bloodstream and to the lungs. The breath test measures the amount of gases that the person exhales. Another diagnostic test is obtaining a tissue sample by endoscopy, which means putting a camera down the mouth into the esophagus and stomach. A third way of testing is through a stool sample. Yes, I said it, to diagnose SIBO. If it is found that you have SIBO, the most common treatment is with a course of antibiotics to manage the overgrowth of bacteria. Acid reflux medications may help, as well as probiotics. It is also helpful to modify your diet. A particularly useful diet for SIBO is a low FODMAP diet. Check out my next video to learn about the low FODMAP diet. Hit that notification bell so you can check out my latest videos of mind, body, spirit wellness. I'm Dr. Leslie Madrak. Thank you for watching.